Hello, I'm Professor Natascha Radclyffe-Thomas, Editor-in-Chief of Bloomsbury Fashion Business Case Studies, an online learning resource designed specifically for students and educators. Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases contain a collection of business case studies about all aspects of the fashion industry. All of our cases are written by faculty and industry experts working in higher education internationally, based on realistic fashion business scenarios. Increasingly, fashion students and faculty want to address sustainability. Organisations, including the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, have drawn attention to the negative impact of our industrial and personal consumption of plastics, and the beauty industry is coming under increasing pressure to address its huge environmental impact. Plastics have become ubiquitous in the beauty and cosmetics industry, in application tools, products, and packaging. It's estimated that the majority of the 120 billion units of packaging currently produced annually by the beauty and cosmetics industries are plastic, and that roughly half of the plastic produced in the world is thrown away annually. This case centres on London-based innovative inclusive beauty brand Cole Creatives, a non-profit business that reinvests profits in its social impact work. The case is titled The Plastics Problem, Cole Creative's Circular Solution for Beauty's Ugly Challenge. It was co-written by myself and Cole Creative's founder, Trishna Daswani, and follows the story of Cole Creatives examining its key branding, marketing, and product development strategies. Specifically, the case addresses how Cole Creatives embraced the principles of circular economy and applied technical innovations to reduce its use of plastics by taking one of the world's most abundant food waste materials, rice husk, to create its iconic bioplastic product, the Me Fan brush, a BPA-free and biodegradable makeup brush. The case forms part of a collection that Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases produced in collaboration with the RSA, a charitable social change organisation that aims to bring together people and ideas to resolve the challenges of our time. Cole Creatives is one of several organisations featured in this collection, each of whom took part in the RSA and Ellen MacArthur Foundation's Rethink Fashion learning journey, which brought together pioneering creatives from across the fashion industry to help accelerate the transition to a circular economy for fashion, where products are used more, made to be made more, and made from safe and renewable resources. Trishna Daswani is a social entrepreneur who grew up in Hong Kong and trained as a makeup artist before launching her award-winning beauty business, Cole Creatives. The case study explores how Trishna's personal experiences and cultural references influence the founding of an inclusive and sustainable beauty brand. The case introduces students to concepts such as inclusive design as we follow Cole Creative's journey towards circularity. Trishna's motto is to create products that can be used by everyone without marginalising communities. And in 2020, Trishna partnered with the Royal National Institute for the Blind to create the world's first makeup brushes for those with visual impairments. In addition to being made from recycled plastic, each brush in the Feast Your Eyes collection incorporates a braille sticker and a raised numerical system linking to an audio guide on how to use the products. Like all the Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases, the Cole Creatives case study can be used to explore a range of different aspects of fashion business. Sustainability, circularity, responsible business, and inclusion are all complex topics, and this case allows students to explore them through Trishna's journey with Cole Creatives as she endeavours to incorporate sustainability and responsible business across all of their activities. It may be hard for brands and even for us as beauty consumers to understand some of the complex concepts raised in the case or to know how they relate to business activities or personal beauty purchases and practices. The case helps raise some of the challenges businesses face developing more inclusive and sustainable products, as well as encouraging students to research the relevant legislation and codes of conduct in relation to the use of plastics and their alternatives. The case also shows the challenges brands may face communicating with consumers about sustainability and inclusivity in a transparent and simple way, whilst avoiding accusations of greenwashing, and ask students to suggest effective ways to do just this. Every Bloomsbury Fashion Business case comes with a set of business questions and teaching notes. And in this case, the business questions ask students to go beyond the specifics of the Cole Creatives case and to research the current uses and impact of plastics in the beauty industry, relating those to sustainable development goals and circular economy principles. As with all of the cases in the RSA collection, the Cole Creatives case study can be explored in multiple formats. For example, video resources can be used to introduce seminar sessions, leading to wider discussions about circular economy and fashion before focusing on the challenges of the specific organisation featured in the business case. In this case, students get to understand the whole product journey from manufacture to disposal, and each of the brand's product launches can be used to explore the principles and application of inclusive design, as well as technical approaches to reduce the use of plastics and how to transition towards a circular economy for beauty. And as with all Bloomsbury Fashion Business Cases, the Cole Creatives case comes with a full reference and resource list and includes links to pre-reading and follow-up inspiration.